Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. Previous day I given the swing trading level for IBULHSGFIN buy above 206.20, sell below 181.85. Let's see how it's worked. Two not 6.20, that's the level, and 181.85. Okay, market open here is close to buy level. Okay, and once it's breakout, it goes up to 13.90. Again it comes down, and see it take a support at our buy level, then it's going up and got a sharp good move. Okay, so yesterday it's worked perfect. Let's see IBULHSGFIN swing trading level for next day. Yeah, following the decision 2. Okay, we got a sell level 200. This is a sell level. Buy level should be, there is no buying point at that point. Okay, I didn't get any buy point because now market is above this level. So this level acts as a support to 223.10. The goal is, if market is open between this level, then we can use 223 above, it's the buy, and 200 below sell. If market is open here, then 223.10 it's a sell, below it says sell. Okay, so just note these two value, 223.10 and 200 level. These are the two levels. Depends on the market open, this level acts as a support or resistance. If market is open above this level, then 223 below it's a sell. If market is open in between this level, 223 above buy and 200 below sell. Hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasmiller2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasmiller.com. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading video. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.